skills, I will ban you. Bro, I hate getting multiple minutes into the speedrun into reset. It sucks.
I mean, we were only 4.5 minutes in.
Yeah.
Well, you began yelling in anger and anguish at about 4:13.
Right. I don't know, I think it was more closer to like 4:12, 4:11.
No, I think 4:13 is pretty on the dot, but it's a bit of an estimation. You could be right, or it could have been like more towards 4:14 or 15. I'm not entirely sure, but I think 4:13 is on the money.
Okay.
We can watch back the clip later.
Okay. On it back. Pull the chat.
Pull the chat. Alright.
Still need that spin, bro. Just for that, I'm not doing it. just because you brought it up twice in the span of 60 seconds, I'm not doing it. Just to spite you. If anybody else wants to redeem a chair spin, like, bro, I'll stop the run.
True.
Yeah. Just let me know. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I should have asked. I'm sorry, bro. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I just heard your player in the background just wince or like groan in pain. You just went, ah!
Oh, I forgot to say anything this run. To the moderator that has to listen to this potentially, you're welcome. This mix, it slaps. Eurobeat, you should listen to it.
Eurobeat mixed by Super for Super People. That's what the mix is called.
Yeah. I messed up my inventory a little.
It's okay. I need right under 8k more points to have 500,000. That's insane. I think Fable's got like way more. Fable could probably make me shave my beard right now.
Yeah, but the thing is, the account, I can't log into it anymore because it requires email verification, and it's using an email that was deactivated.
Oh wow.
So that's why you had to mod this new account.
Yeah, I remember now. That was actually planned. I actually deactivated your old email, so I didn't have to shave. Yeah, we were a little far off there to the right.
No, I mean my BMS was perfect.
Yeah. Well, where we came up, where we started the BMS was like way off to the right.
Yeah, but if you start too far to the left, you get caught in that like little valley down there.
Yeah.
I went that way on purpose. That was not a misplay. That was like where I wanted to be, and I think it worked beautifully.
Bro, it was a misplay. I'm in your head. I know what you're thinking. Quit lying.
There we go.
Okay, please actually kill me this time.
Please kill me this time. Stormy weather.
Did you ever ask to mod this run? I'm sorry, you have to listen to his singing.
My mom tells me I have good singing.
Should we plug the Twitch stream to the mod?
Oh, I think they're gonna. I mean, I think you have to, or you can link your speedrun.com with your
Twitch?
Yeah, with your socials.
Alright, good deal, good deal. Oh. Oh. Oh, beautiful, man.
Beautiful Man is a song on this list.
Is it really?
Yeah.
No.
I'd say who it's by, but I don't know any Eurobeat artists.
Yeah, true. Okay, 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 okay. Deep breath. Deep breath. I got it. Damn, you hit a jump there.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it all in one clean motion.
I did not.
Wait, what? Where the hell am I? Wait, what?
I'm at the entrance.
Where the? Okay, I went way past it. Oh my god. I still haven't even hit the door yet. Okay, I got it.
No.
And I got pinned down by the sticks. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Alright, I got the wall foot. What's up, Nintendo?
Hi, Nindo.
How you doing, buddy? I haven't seen you in a while. I'd like you to know that whenever Fable and I see watches, we do make fun of you.
Okay. It's true.
Good, I have become profoundly busy. Bro, when weren't you profoundly busy?
Yeah, has anything changed? Wow. Everybody dance, dance, super, super dance, dance. Everybody move and groove and dance, dance. Do you want to dance, dance? Ay, 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 ay.
His mother says he has a good singing voice.
True. No, 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 no. Oh my god. I confused my rooms, and I was gonna BMS down this room, and it was the one that has the lava chasm directly in the center. You know which one I'm talking about.
I do. I would read that message, but I am busy focusing on cave tech. Oh, that was a clean BMS.
Bro, I'm not. Ah.
No, you're doing great.
I'm not.
You are legitimately miles ahead of me. You were gonna finish 30 seconds ahead of me.
I always finish 30 seconds. Don't.
What? That's terrible.
Huh?
What the hell? No. I'm gonna stop you right there. Hold
Stop
up.
in the name of the law.
You've committed crimes against me.
Nintendo, what is Watch School? A school for watchmaking.
That's a shocking revelation.
Is that like the Boy Scouts?
What?
Is it like the Boy Scouts, but instead of like learning to tie knots and fold flags, what else do Boy Scouts do?
Learn how to make a fire.
They sell popcorn and make fires. Yeah.
They learn like first aid. They go fishing.
Yeah. So instead of doing all of that, you just spend every day just making watches.
Watchmaking is a cool job. Congratulations, though, man. You're making leaps and bounds. That's a big dub.
Making big moves, yeah. I'm proud of you. Taught you everything you know.
Yeah, for sure.
I said everything you need to learn from watchmaking school, but...
Many thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. You know, anytime.
Jesus Christ, you are miles ahead, bro. I'm sorry. I'm just upset over this.
I mean, when you're just in the presence of raw gamer energy like this, it's hard. It's hard being around me because I'm so good at everything I do.
You know what? He's hacking. DQ the run.
Hombre, it's our run.
No, bro. I'd rather see myself burn than have to put up with another minute of your BS.
Alright, fair. Alright, I hit my interaction.
Yeah, I'm not even close.
Alright, let me know when to end.
Alright. Oh my god. Okay, I see the final cave. Spoiler alert if you've never seen the ending. And time.
9:21.
That's a 23-second time save.
I finished at 8:44. Or something like that. I think it was 8:44. It was like 8:47 maybe. I don't know.
If I could keep pace with you, we'd be way ahead.
Yeah. Where is boss? There isn't one.
No, there's no boss.
This is the end of the game. Yeah.
I'll let the cutscene play out.
Well, do you have anything else to say to the moderators? Chat, you want to say hello? No? Really?
No, I think that's it.
All right.
World record soon.